Intensive driving courses Leeds. Are you fed up of getting buses or relying on other people to get from A to B? Do you want to learn to drive quickly? We offer intensive driving courses to get you on the road in no time. Our experienced and friendly instructors will teach you everything you need to know in a condensed time frame, without compromising on the quality of the lessons. From the basic skills to advanced techniques, tailoring each lesson to your specific needs and learning style. You will get the chance to spend more time behind the wheel, building your confidence and skills with each lesson. The instructors will help you focus on the areas where you need the most help, ensuring you're ready to pass your test with flying colors. So why wait? Don't waste any more time. Book your intensive driving course today and start your journey to becoming a safe, confident driver. Call 07480488243.